Buster, hold on. What you say? What you say?
One man say one of me lettuce to put on your rice. You know much time me want like a pussy to put on me cocky. And can't get it. And if you bam take out me lettuce to go put on rice. You have to give me lettuce to who you have put me cocky on master. You take care of that.
Yo, a man have a bungalow callaloo on him head and some lettuce. Girl, she says a real farmer. The man said, the woman said, yo, I want some lettuce to put on my rice. The man said, no more time, I want some pussy to put on my cocky. Yo, the man full of ice talk, and the man say, yo, I something for something. You understand what I say? I something for something. So you can't want the man lettuce and no want run no pussy. What you want though? Go pretty up your man dinner with lettuce and make your man dinner have lettuce and bossy for Saturday or Sunday or Friday, whichever day. And the man don't have no pussy for pretty up on him cocky. A something for something. Exchange is no robbery. You understand? If you want the man lettuce, the man want your pussy. Or some pum for lettuce. You understand? So if you don't want to give up nothing, allow the man we have. With what you have. Exchange is no robbery. You understand? Yo, the man a go hard. A man a move cross with him lettuce star like a man have up your daughter. Man have up you. You understand? You're not going to chang up yourself for your next man. What? Let us something for your lettuce. Like, comment, share, subscribe. You understand? Jamaican Mix Up TV. You understand? Jump Out TV production, same way. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I'm out.